Well, right after that, there's more breaking news which is coming in. The Prime Minister, after he gave this call for the protection of Hindus, now the Congress too has waded into the controversy. They are saying that this is the Prime Minister making it completely communal. Watch this.
We all know what Prime Minister wants to do. He always believes in some other kind of politics. But Dr. Yunus, as Chief Advisor, has already started his appeal to those people that every community, all religious faith and others, needs to be protected in Bangladesh. We all hope that we wish Dr. Yunus is best of luck and hope that normalcy returns quickly, brotherhood and peace returns quickly in Bangladesh.
हर चीज को हिंदू और मुसलमान के चश्मे से क्यों देखते हैं भाई? हर चीज को हिंदू मुसलमान के चश्मे से देखना इनकी आदत हो गई भैया। आप ही लगवा रहे हो जो मीडिया में उसके दूसरी भी तस्वीरें आ रही हैं। ये हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो आप बता रहे हो बहुत सारी तस्वीरें दूसरी भी आ रही हैं कि वहां के लोग खड़े होकर के लाठी लेकर के हिफाजत करते हुए भी नजर आ रहे हैं। वो तस्वीरें आप दिखाओगे नहीं, आप केवल एक ही हिंदू मुसलमान इसी को दिखाने का आप लोगों ने टेका ले लिया। बस
हिंसा रुकनी चाहिए,
100% रुकनी चाहिए यार। किसी भी देश के अंदर इस प्रकार के माहौल नहीं होने चाहिए। सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान आम आदमी का होता है। मरने वाला हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, मरने वाला इंसान, इंसानियत की बात होनी चाहिए।
Well, with that, there are more reactions which are coming in. The BJP has slammed the Congress. In fact, several reactions have been coming in from many others as well. You have Kanchan Gupta. He has tweeted, putting out this tweet that we are going to show to you. Let me go across to Swati. Swati, I believe that he's drawn the Tears for Palestine analogy also. Absolutely. In his attack.
Yes, and he has questioned Rahul Gandhi's silence on the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh. This is his post. He says, Congress sheds tears for Palestine, shows contempt for Hindu plight in Bangladesh. Silence exposes Hindu messiah. Now, Kanchan Gupta says, Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed his best wishes to Mohammad Yunus soon after he took charge as head of the interim government of Bangladesh. Prime Minister Modi emphatically stressed the need for restoration of normalcy and the safety and protection of Hindus and all minority communities in Bangladesh. But there was no such concern expressed by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in his congratulatory message to Yunus. His silence on the Hindus and their plight in Bangladesh is loud and clear. He and his party have no empathy for Hindus at home or abroad. Yet, the same Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi have led the Congress's high decibel campaign in support of Palestine and Palestinians. Congress eyes are on Rafah, not Hindus being brutalized in Dhaka. This is the real face of Nehru Parivar. Hindu messiah is their auto impulse. So that's Kanchan Gupta hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, questioning why did he not express any concern in the congratulatory message about the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh.
That's an interesting point that Kanchan Gupta has made. Thank you so much, Swati, for bringing that to us. In fact, let me get our viewers more reactions from the BJP. In fact, I believe Kanchan Gupta is joining us here on the show. Kanchan Gupta ji, can you explain the tweet that you've put out? We are just going through. Interesting. You've said, tears for Palestine, but contempt for Hindu plight. What prompts you to say that about Rahul Gandhi?